Welcome to WritersER, where we turn the daunting task of dissertation writing into a manageable and, yes, even enjoyable journey. Today, we're tackling a challenge every doctoral and PhD student faces during their research: transforming interview transcripts into coherent themes. This step is not just a milestone, it's a transformative process that can shape the direction and outcomes of your entire dissertation. Imagine having a maze of words, sentences, and paragraphs, all valuable insights from your interviews, but not knowing how to organize them into a structure that speaks volumes. That's where we step in. Today, I'll guide you through a simplified yet effective method to navigate this maze and emerge with clear, impactful themes that resonate with your research goals. First things first, let's talk about familiarization. Before you can identify any themes, you need to immerse yourself in the data. This means reading and rereading your transcripts meticulously. It might seem tedious, but this step is crucial for gaining a deep understanding of your content. Highlight, annotate, or take notes, whatever helps you engage with the material. Next up is coding. Coding is not just about assigning labels, it's about identifying significant phrases, statements, or ideas within your transcripts. These codes can be descriptive, interpretive, or pattern codes, depending on what they represent. Start broad, then get more specific as patterns begin to emerge. Now let's dive into the heart of our process: theme development. Themes are not just codes or categories. They are insights that tie together the core essence of what your participants are saying. They should be relevant to your research questions and reflective of the data. To develop themes, start by grouping your codes into potential themes. Look for patterns, similarities, and differences. Ask yourself, what story is my data telling? This is where the magic happens. As you sift through your codes and categories, you'll begin to see the bigger picture. Themes will start to stand out, not just as isolated pieces of information, but as coherent narratives that provide depth and context to your research. But remember, theme development is an iterative process. Your initial themes may undergo several revisions. This is perfectly normal. As you refine your themes, you might find that some codes don't fit, or that two themes are actually one. This process requires patience and an open mind. Embrace the journey and let your data guide you. Once you have your themes, it's time to define and name them. A theme should be clear and concise, capturing the essence of what it represents. The name you choose is important. It should be both descriptive and reflective of the theme's content. Think of it as the title of a chapter in your dissertation. It needs to tell the reader exactly what to expect. Now you might be wondering, how do I present these themes in my dissertation? Here's where storytelling comes into play. Each theme should tell a part of your research story. Use quotes from your interviews to illustrate your themes, providing evidence to support your findings. But remember, it's not about including every single quote under a theme. Be selective. Choose quotes that are most illustrative of the theme and add depth to your analysis. As you write about your themes, connect them back to your research questions and the existing literature. This not only demonstrates the validity of your findings, but also situates your work within the broader academic conversation. Transforming interview transcripts into coherent themes is more than just a step in your research process. It's an opportunity to give voice to your participants and bring their experiences to the forefront of your dissertation. It's about finding the story within your data and telling it in a way that resonates with your audience. Remember, the key to success in this process is patience, engagement with your data, and an open mind. And there you have it, a simplified guide to transforming your interview transcripts into coherent themes. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a question to ponder and perhaps share your thoughts on in the comments. What strategies have you found most effective when working with qualitative data, and how do they compare to the method we discussed today? If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to WritersER. We're here to support you through every stage of your dissertation journey, offering tips and strategies to save you time and money, and most importantly, to help you finish your dissertation in record time. Happy writing, and see you in our next video.